Assalamualaikum grade 7. Today is Tuesday, 8 December 2020 and we were reading about the simple chemical reaction. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the types of chemical reaction in which we have studied about the decomposition reaction, addition reaction, and then we discussed about the displacement reaction in which we study about the single displacement reaction. So today we are going to study about the double displacement reaction. Double displacement means the same reaction you have in single. Now you have two compounds which both have two partners. So what happens is that they just exchange their partner. You can observe here A is going with D and B is going with C. So only the interchange or exchange is going to be happening with them and they form a different compound. So it is called the double displacement. Single displacement was that in which we just use a single element and a compound and single element replace the one element of compound. So it was calling a single displacement reaction, and now we have the two compounds, so that is why we are seeing double displacement reaction. They all were the type of the reactions, and later on we will discuss about the combustion reaction, which is the last one. It has been remaining, so we will discuss it tomorrow inshallah ta'ala. And now we have the workbook part. Take out your workbooks. Workbook page number 39. Some of the students asked that why we didn't do the 37, 36 or 38, because we didn't read about the combustion reaction. One topic is remaining about the reaction, so we left that, and I am starting just for the physical and chemical change because you have studied before. So number one question is, let's give some example of changes that take place in everyday life. Here, number one, boiling water, frying an egg, stringing a match, breaking a matchstick, and dissolving limestone, acid dissolving limestone, tearing clothes, crushing a can, rusting nail. You have then a table, so you have to write the physical and chemical change here. Number one, physical changes. Physical changes we call the changes can be reversed easily. So boiling water is a physical change, breaking a matchstick is a physical change, crushing a can is a physical change, tearing cloth is also a physical change. Whereas chemical changes are frying an egg, acid dissolving limestone, rusting nail, and sticking a match. This was about the chemical changes. Then the question is related with these also, these examples. Give two changes from the list that need energy to make them happen. What are the changes in the above which need energy? So you can write the example of boiling water, they need energy. Frying an egg, they need energy. Or for tearing a cloth or breaking or crushing a can, they are also need energy to do that. Give two changes from the list that do not need energy to make them happen. Number one, rusting nail. It is just because of your atmosphere, and acid dissolving limestone. Then you have the question number 8. Below are two columns with separate headings. Write these chemical reactions under the correct heading. Number 1, frying an egg. Plants using sunlight energy to make food. Sucking a mint to cool your mouth. Respiration in animals and plant cell. A burning match, a firework, exploding. So what are the exothermic reactions and what are the endothermic reactions? Frying an egg, you need energy, so endothermic. Plants using sunlight, endothermic. Sucking a mint to cool your mouth. Respiration in animal and plant, it is exothermic. Burning match, exothermic. Firework, exploding, they are exothermic, because they give out heat energy to us, a greater amount of heat energy. I am going to give you just the introduction of a combustion reaction. Combustion. These are the type of reaction in which things burn in the presence of oxygen, like methane, burns with oxygen. So they produce carbon dioxide and water. The product will be always same, carbon dioxide and water. So combustion reaction are those reactions in which things burn in the presence of oxygen and they produce water and carbon dioxide. Okay ji, by tomorrow inshallah ta'ala we will discuss about the hydrocarbons and we will do the question answers of page number 78 as well as we will discuss about the things we need for burning. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.